All right, guys. For some of us who are living right here in abroad, to be specific, right here in Europe, all right, and you don't have documents, you have no documents. You are living in Germany, you are living in any other part of Europe, and you don't have documents. Come close. Let me just give you the information. All right. The only thing you have to do for me, make sure you are sharing this update so that other people can have access to it and make use of this wonderful information, what I'm dishing out right here. And follow my YouTube channel, Hollandov_01. Okay. Now, most of our people right here in abroad are struggling seriously. Not everyone has the opportunity to be in a better country, or not everyone has the opportunity to be in a country that can easily give them documents. All right. And if you get such information that can help our people and you withhold it to yourself, probably because you feel people are talking too much, or you want to keep the information to yourself. If you get your own documents, will you still get documents for other people? Is there anyone that is going to pay you withholding information for your people? Because that is the insult I keep getting. This is the way you people, this is the way you people expose information. This is the way you people cast updates. Do you understand? Because Indians use their language. But if I start using my dialects, will other people get the same information? Not everyone will get this information. Now, if you are living here, let me just go straight to the point. If you are living anywhere in this Europe, in Schengen to be precisely, and you want to get documents, Spain will give you the opportunity to get documents. Spain will lift that burden away from you. How? Now, let me explain to you. If you go to Spain, you manage yourself to go to Spain. Try as much as you can to go and register in their government, because if you read some government handle, they will tell you when you enter the country, try and come and register. It doesn't matter whether you have your country passports or whatever. As long as you have address where you'll be staying, go and register in Spain. If you register in Spain that you arrived into the country within the space of 2 years, you are entitled to 1 year resident permit. Within this, in fact, if you register, let's just put it within the space of 2 years, 1.5 years, you are entitled to 1 year resident permit. The only thing that will disturb you probably how you can be getting income to feed yourself and to take care of other responsibility, because this is not Aduro. This is not Aduro. I'm not talking about Aduro. Do you understand? This is a kind of registering to let them know that you are in the country. All right. There are people who can channel you, who can tell you where you can register. All right. This is not Aduro things. Aduro is a total different thing from what I'm saying. So if you go to Spain and register with your country passport after 2 years, I'm talking about those who are illegal. I mean, even if you come into the country with visa, that is why I said legal or illegal. Even if you come to the country with your visa, you can also go and report. Register. Those who are in Spain can direct you where you can register. If you register, then wait. Try to manage yourself as long as you have proof of address. That is the most important thing. If you have proof of address, you are good to go. Be patient. Look for a way you can be surviving little by little for 2 years, and boom, you are good to go. They will issue you 1 year resident permit that will allow you to work officially in Spain. You can use that document to travel anywhere out of the country and still come back. All right? Even within Schengen, you can use it to go anywhere and still come back. For those who just arrived with their tourist or visiting visa, for those who have been staying in Europe without documents, all right? That is the reason why I'm saying this. You can literally use hotel as a proof of address. You can literally ask friends to add your name in that address or give you house contract to show that this is the place you are living. You can even book for booking.com. You can book for Airbnb. Do you understand? To have proof of address. Place is literally a place you can easily survive. You want to do marriage also, it is very easy. What is important to them? Have proof of address is often very much important for Spanish government. If you have proof of address, have your sufficient fund to take care of yourself within that short period of time that they are still looking at you, then you are good to go. I hope this helps someone out there. And if this information is really educative, please share, like, and follow my YouTube channel, Hollandov_01. And I will see you in my next video. Cheers.